Welcome back. So today is day 4 and we are feeding our turmeric or turmeric bug. Still smells like turmeric. This is what it looks like now. So, like the previous days, we are going to grate up a couple of tablespoons worth of turmeric root, add a couple of teaspoons of sugar, and a little bit of water that's filtered. Now today is technically supposed to be the last day to do this before it's supposed to be usable to make actual fermented turmeric soda. So somehow, though, it doesn't look as violently active as I would hope it to be from some of my previous experiments in brewing things. See, that looks like about a little bit over a teaspoon, so here we'll just grate a little bit more. There. We know from experience that that's a couple of tablespoons. I know, I'm doing it kind of a little haphazardly there tonight. It's not that I don't love it still, but it's almost graduated. So, it's almost time for it to go out in the world all on its own. Move out from under my, or above my refrigerator. So, 2 teaspoons of sugar. And 3 tablespoons of water, filtered. Give it a bit of a stir. Now, I do see some foam now. So, I'm pretty sure that means that it's doing something. So, there you have it. Its last feeding. Next stage is to try and make some fermented soda with it. Now, upkeep on this is just to feed it. And also, you can cap it starting on day 5 and store it in the refrigerator. Now, when you go to use it, pull it out for about 24 hours so that it can warm up, give it a little feeding, and it will revive. So, I will show you next time we meet with this turmeric bug how to actually make some soda with it. See you then. Come on back. Bye.